job, girl. No, you tore it. It ain't gonna fly out.
You split it. Look at that. You split it.
Mama.
What do you think
awesome
about
right
that?
My name's Palmer Haddix. I'm a competitive shooter, and I just split this card in half.
Tell 'em how old you are.
I'm 11 years old.